happy Sunday. Me and the babe are getting ready to get something to eat, get some breakfast. Well, actually brunch, because it's like 12:15. We're at the Real Milk and Honey. Not Milk and Honey, but the Real Milk and Honey. All right, I'm ready.
You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming.
Oh, this
Another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch.
guys, what's up? I'm on my way to get my hair braided. I have a upcoming trip this weekend. I'm excited. We're going out of town for my boyfriend's birthday, so this is a lot of maintenance that I'm about to have to do. I'm gonna get my hair braided. I need to go get my nails done. I need to get my eyebrows arched. I have a bunch of clothes that I purchased that I need to try on and make sure that they work. So we're gonna just, I guess, start the vlog off like this. So hopefully next time y'all see me, your girl will be looking cute by the head, because I'm getting some boho knotless boho mermaid braids. And this is the hair, mixed color. Y'all know I love my honey blonde.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo.
I need some shorts for this trip.
Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you.
Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to pack my bag for my trip. We are leaving first thing in the morning. But I'm packing everything because I'm going over there tonight. So you guys know I've got my hair done. Love my boho goddess braids. Nails are done. Eyebrows just got done. And I have like multiple orders from Shein of like swimsuits and just cute little dresses that I want to show you guys. I have not had a chance to try this stuff on. I'm just gonna hope that it fits. You know, I did tell you guys I have lost 9 pounds. 9 pounds. It wasn't the goal. The goal was like 10, 15, but you know, it's fine. I'll take it. I'll take it because it took a lot of hard work and dedication. Okay, so mostly I feel like I can feel it definitely like in my stomach, and I think my face is a little smaller. That's just my perception. I don't know, you know, y'all might see something different. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got. Let's start with, I guess, swimsuits. Yeah, swimsuits would be easier. So because I'm not gonna try it on now, by the time this video comes out, I would have already been we're going to San Juan, Puerto Rico. I would have already been to Puerto Rico and back by now. So I'm just going to insert like pictures or videos of how I basically looked in it and how I wore it. That way you can see it in real time. So first things first. Y'all, it's giving forehead. I just feel like I'm giving forehead, but it's fine. I ordered a yellow. Oh my gosh, I can't show y'all this one yet. Okay, wait, we gotta hold this on. Wait, okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had to go and get the piece that goes with this. Okay, so I have a yellow 2-piece swimsuit. Super cute, high-waisted. You guys know I love all my high-waisted things. But where did we get this from? This is a kimono. Isn't it so cute? And it has orange, green, yellow, pink. I could put any color swimsuit under here, but I chose to do yellow. So this is, oh, I can't wait to wear this. It's gonna be so cute. It's a long crochet piece. Definitely will have a picture in this for you guys. This came from, what's the name of the store in the mall? Mad Rag. I got this from Mad Rag in the mall. So if you have a Mad Rag, that is super, super cute. Another swimsuit that I got, me and my boyfriend actually have matching swimsuits. Well, sets. I have this one, which is orange and snakeskin, and then his swimming trunks are also half orange, half snakeskin. So we'll be taking a cute little couple picture with this. Not your girl having matching swimsuits with a man now. What? Okay. Another swimsuit that I got. Every year I buy new swimsuits. It's a fact. I love, like, every season I like to have new swimsuits. And now that your girl can swim, they would definitely all get used. So I picked up this one, which is a cute one piece, but it's a tricolor one piece. Love this, love the color. I think I love the way that it will accentuate my body as well. I have a black one. Oh, okay, so this is a black crochet cover-up skirt. Crochet cover-up skirt, really cute. And long, goes all the way to my feet. This is gonna be really cute with this black swimsuit. Is this the swimsuit right here? Shein swim. Okay. Another one piece, but I love cutouts. I find sometimes the cutouts can be sexier than the 2 pieces. So this is like a 1-piece cutout. Definitely gonna have to put a picture of, or so you guys can see what the cutouts look like. But I figured this with this is gonna be really, really cute and sexy, grown and sexy. That's what we're going for. Oh, this is a cover-up. I had forgot I ordered this cover-up right here, child. I sure did forget I ordered it. It's cute too. Oh, oh my gosh, I love it. It's almost the same color as the other one, but that's a crochet. This is not crochet. So this is pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It also has yellow, green, blue. It's just like a big oversized shirt, no buttons. But yeah, cover up. I'm trying to see, because I got that yellow swimsuit to go with the crochet. So what swimsuit am I going to put under here? Oh, I have a lime green swimsuit. I don't know. Oh, I have royal blue too. We'll see. Is this a swimsuit? Did I order another swimsuit? What is this? Oh, this is a cover-up. It came with a orange swimsuit though. But I can't wear these because your girl's stomach will be out, and you know we are team high waist. So the bikini bottoms, if you can wear them, this that I'm showing you does already come with it. But I definitely can put this on and mix match it with different bottoms. So I will probably take this. Even if I just put it on with some jeans, like we're not really going to the pool and I want to you know, sit by El Cabana, because the place we're staying at has like the cabanas and stuff, and you know I love me a good cabana with a drink. Okay, so this is mainly what I bought it for. The orange cover up. Yeah, so this orange cover up right here goes with this 2-piece swimsuit right here. Now this is high-waisted, 2-piece high-waisted. Oh, I can't wait to wear this one. I love this one. So this one has that crisscross top. Oh yes, honey. Yeah. Oh, the royal blue and the orange is so pretty. And then this is the bottom. And so I bought this to go. He's like in my hair. I bought this to go up under the orange see-through cover up. So you should be able to, let me see. You really can't see it that good. Well, the way the front of this is open, it's very wide all the way to the waist area. So you're definitely going to be able to see this like up under it. So cute. Cute girl, cute. Yeah, one thing about these boho braids, baby, they get caught on everything. Ugh. Another swimsuit. You know, this is a lot of swimsuits for 4 days. We only gonna be down there 4 days. But I had to have it. I wanted a gold one so bad. A gold metallic one. And I thought it'd be cute in some pictures. If for anything, we're gonna put this on to take some pictures, okay? So, this is the top. It's a 2-piece. High-waisted. Foil gold bottom. Metallic, not foil. But it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to rock this. Oh, so this is gonna go up under my white sheer cover up. I need to remember to pack it. Dang, that's a lot of swimsuits. Is that all the swimsuits? Okay, that's all the swimsuits. That's all the swimsuits, I think. Now, this is a dress because we're gonna have like nights where we go out to dinner, and then, you know, I want to be cute and put on a cute little dress, makeup and all the things. So this is a cute little satin emerald green fitted dress. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cute. It's just really, I feel like it's gonna hug my body really nicely. It has just these little straps, kind of does that swoop in the front. Yeah, this is gonna be cute. And then I might like take my hair and put like, I don't know, like put it up in the middle, or I don't know, something like that. Do something different. And then I got another dress. This one, yellow. I really must be feeling these yellow, greens, and oranges, because I swear this whole collection is just all color. Cut out, you guys. Y'all already know. Oh my gosh, it's hard for me to even show without trying it on. I'll take a picture in it. Definitely will be wearing it. But it's just it's a dress. But I can't even get to, let me turn it sideways. Maybe that'll help. There you go. Now you can kind of see how the dress is made. This is the dress. Love the yellow color, y'all. Love the yellow color. I got the exact same dress in bubblegum pink. Now, will I wear the exact same dress on the same trip? Probably not. I don't know, but you know, who cares? I wanted the dress because I like the way it looked. I actually had ordered the pink one first, and it fit so good I ordered yellow. So this is the pink one. It is a pretty bubblegum pink. I love bubblegum pink. And my tabby, my Coach tabby, they have a beautiful bubblegum pink tabby bag, and I want it, and I'm probably gonna order it. I think it's $100 less than the other one because it's a smaller. Like my other tabby was $400. I think that one is like $300. So I ordered this jean one-piece set, and it better fit. It's really cute though. So this is it. The entire back is out. The only thing you will see in the back at the top are crisscross, and it's straight leg. It has the zipper in the butt. So basically, yeah, your entire back is out. This is where the jean starts at your butt, and then there's nothing else on your back. And it's straight leg, and it has like the little fridge at the bottom, which I thought was really cute. So put this on with some heels. That's gonna be really cute. I think it'll fit. I always go up a size when I order jean stuff off of Shein. This is an extra large. I have to get an extra large for my behind. Yeah, whenever I order jeans. So more than likely it's gonna fit. Everything else, my dresses and my swimsuits are all larges. I always get a large. And then I got an extra large in this because, again, whenever I get pants or bottoms, I just always have to get a extra large or they won't fit. So this is a 3-piece set. It's the green shorts. This is a green halter tank to put on with the shorts. And then a cute little button-up shirt. They go over it. So it's a 3-piece set. I thought it was really cute. Shirt, shorts over it, and a little bit of my stomach will be showing because, yeah, it's a halter and high-waisted pants. So your stomach will be out. See, and I ordered some shoes too, but this is a dress. I'm not taking this with me. I just really wanted it. It's long sleeve on one side. I could take it. Why not? It's long sleeve on one side. I've worn this in white before, so it's hard for me to show it, but I'll insert a picture of the model wearing it if I don't wear it. I ordered some sandals from there as well. Let me show you really quick what the sandals look like. So I ordered some gold heels. These are them. I think they were like maybe $20. This is a $43. But I needed some gold heels, so hopefully they don't hurt my feet. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them like, here we go, hair getting caught again. I don't know if we can wear them out. I'll probably just wear these to like dinner because it is giving, I don't know. We gonna see if they comfortable or they gonna hurt my feet. I got just some little cute black flat slides. Cute little flat slides. These remind me of like the little Hermes slides, but they are not, honey. They were on sale though for like I think $5, and they're cute, and I've been wearing them and they're comfortable. And then I just ordered some silver sandals. I haven't tried these on yet. They go like this. Yeah, it's just gonna go around my ankle. It has the little piece, it has a little piece for the toe, and then it's gonna go around. Hopefully it fits also. Well, this is a 42 because some of them have like 43s, and then some have 42s for the same size as 43s depending on who the seller is. So that is everything, guys. So let me go ahead and organize my suitcase. This is a lot to pack. Hopefully it does not weigh over 50 pounds, child, but I mean, I do get a free carry-on, so I can stuff some stuff in my little carry-on bag, but I usually don't like my plain bag to be that heavy. But anyway, I think this is gonna end the vlog. Yeah, because this vlog was really just maintenance, and I wanted to do my Shein haul, and then the next vlog should be trip to Puerto Rico. Hey. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video. I am going to link everything that I got down below, and more than likely my like to know it is easier to take you directly to the Shein site and all of the, you know, all of the things, as opposed to me just putting a bunch of links down below. So it'll just be like a one-click thing. And yeah, I also got, oh, I had ordered one suit from Amazon. Anyway, I'll if I wear that or try it on or it fits, I'll just insert it like right here, and that'll be linked in my Amazon shop. But anyway, guys, I'm excited. I'm about to go have some fun. I can't say that this is not our first vacation, because we went to the cabins in February for Valentine's Day. So basically, I guess this is be our second vacation. I love that. I love that he loves to travel and, like, you know, go places. So anyway, this ain't about that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for supporting me and hanging out with your girl. Bye, Daisies.